How to remove multiple friends on Snapchat at once. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. On this screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Now, you need to scroll down to the Friends section and tap on My Friends. Here, you can view all your friends on Snapchat. Now tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the page. You can check your recently added from here. Go back to the friends list and tap and hold any friend. Then go to Manage Friendship. Here, you need to select Remove Friend. This will successfully remove the friend from Snapchat. You can repeat the same for any other friend that you want to remove. Following these steps, you can easily remove multiple friends from Snapchat at once. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.